Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial, guys. In this video we will be designing this part in SOLIDWORKS, and this right here is its flattened version. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK as we are working in the part file. From here change the background to plain white, and here make sure that you are working in right units. I am working in millimeters, so I have selected mmgs. Now select here front plane and click on sketch, and from here select this arc from here and make an arc like this. Okay, and now I want to select 3-point arc from here, so here select 3-point arc, first point here, second here, and third here. Now select a line here and make here a vertical straight line, and here make relation vertical for the line, and here make a center line for the reference. This reference line will be used for mirror entities, so assign it a vertical relation. Now hold Ctrl key from your keyboard, select these two arcs and make relation tangent. Then hold Ctrl key and select line and this 3-point arc and make relation tangent again. Now here select Smart Dimensioning tool and here specify the radius of this arc. I'm specifying as 30 millimeter radius, and now specify the radius for this arc as well, and this is similar, 30 millimeter radius. From this point to this line specify the height, and here I'm specifying as 70. And after doing this, press escape button, hold Ctrl key from your keyboard, select these 2 points of the arc and make relation horizontal, and here you can see this is horizontally aligned. Now select mirror entities and select these two entities, the arc and the line, and mirror about this reference line that we have created earlier, and here you can see this is easily mirrored. Else you can make the same sketch on the other side. You can see this is underdefined. To completely define it, let's select these two lines and here specify the distance between them as 35 millimeter. Now the sketch is fully defined, and let's enable the sheet metal tab. Right click here, in tabs you can find the sheet metal, and when sheet metal is enabled you can click on sheet metal tab, and this is the base flange. When you click it, here you need to specify the length, so I am specifying here as 45 millimeter for the length, and as you can see the material is on single side, which I want in both sides, so I'm selecting this mid plane, and after that check this box from here. Now let's assign some appearance or material to it, which is an optional step. Now let's unfold it. For that select here unfold, and in this fixed face you have to select a flat surface. I'm selecting this flat surface and click this option. It will automatically compute the rest of the entities by itself, and check this box from here. Now select this face and click on sketch, and after that from here select the center line, and here trace the center point and make a straight center line here, and after that here select a slot and make here a slot like this. Now make another slot here which is perpendicular to the previous one. Now select Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the length and radius for these slots. The length of first one is 60 and this one is 25 millimeters, and now let's specify the radius for each arc. For this let's specify as 6, and for this one specify 3 mm is a bit shorter, so let's specify as 3.5 millimeter. Now this looks fine, and after that select here trim entities and trim all of this internal area, these lines. Click OK when it asks, and as you can see I have trim internal lines. Then check this box from here and go to sheet metal tab, and here select extruded cut. Here you can select this option, or other thing is that you can select a through all and check this box from here to cut this entire area. And here you can see now we have to fold it. So select here fold, make sure that this is selected. This will automatically get selected when we select fold, so you do not need to select anything, and check this box from here. And then select here this edge flange and make here 4 edges. This is the second one, the third one, and finally the fourth one. And then you need to specify the length of these. So you can specify it from here. I'm specifying here as 10 millimeter, and this is the option for the material. Either you can select material inside, material outside, and I'm selecting this third one, which includes the bend as well. And check this box from here. And now we have to make a hole here. So make here a reference line from this point to this center point. This gives us a reference midpoint. And make here a vertical straight center line, because I definitely want to mirror entities and I want to reduce my modeling time. Make a circle here, and now let's specify the diameter of the circle. Here I'm specifying as 7. Now I will mirror the same circle on the other side. For that I'm using this mirror entities. And in this entities to mirror, definitely the circle should be selected and mirror about this vertical center line. Else you can make the same circle on the other side. You have to define the diameter. And simply extruded cut it, specify through all, and check this box from here. And now let's fillet these edges. For that, here select this break corner tool, select all of these edges, and on the other side as well, one by one you need to select all of these edges. And we are left with one more thing to do after that, and these are the types. First type should be selected, 5 mm is fine, and check this box from here. Now we are only left with one more cut, so select this face and click on sketch. Make here a center line for the reference from this point to this yellow dot, and select here this slot, straight slot, and make here a slot like this. Now let's define it, the length and the radius. The length, just keep it as 25, and let's define the radius now. The radius is 5. Now go to sheet metal and simply select extruded cut. Since I want to cut the other surface as well, I'm specifying here through all, and then check this box from here. And this part is completed, as you can see it from here. Let me flatten it for you, or let me show you in different views. Now select here flatten, and this is basically the flattened version of this part. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.